So in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between these mini pliers and my regular pliers. So for demonstration, I'm just going to do the letters A, B, C. I have a little piece of aluminum wire, and we have these little cutters, which are super awkward to hold and to use, but I guess if you're traveling, it might be worthwhile to use them. The other alternative too is sometimes I actually just cut the wire. If it's aluminum or copper, you can even just cut it with the ends of your round pliers. So if you just want to save on space in your luggage, you could do that too. So let's go ahead and take the wire, and we want to start with the A. So we're going to start with the biggest part of the little mini pliers, which is right here. Now let me know in the comments if you've ever tried these little pliers. I find them extremely awkward, but probably because I've never used them before. I got these from my friend the other day. So here we go, and you really can't hold them like regular pliers too well. I'm just kind of cradling them in here. If you have another technique, let me know. But I think I would find these very awkward to use for any extended period of time. Maybe good in a pinch if you're traveling or if you're out for a few hours and you just want to do some quick little wire work. And they're nice looking tools. They're seem to be decent quality, but they're definitely very awkward to get used to. So it's probably something that takes some time. So we're just going to go around and do the B here, bring this around, and then we'll do the C. So we're going to bring this one up. The size of the circles isn't too bad. You know, you have a decent size round end on there. You can get a decent size loop, so that's not too bad. So we'll see how we do with my regular pliers after this, but for now we're just using these teeny tiny little pliers. I imagine I'm going to have like a little bit of a crevice in my hand if I use them for too long, because of the nature of how I'm holding them. So we're going to go around up here and then just fix this up a little bit. The other thing you can do is you can use the end of a pen if you need larger circles as well. But for just basic tools, if you want to throw them in your purse, you could almost throw them in a little disco bag or something. Wouldn't be too bad. So there's our first ABC using that. And I actually didn't even use the flat pliers. So maybe we should do something with the flat pliers here. Just to give them a try. So if we're just going to go in here, and we could just bend this up straight up like that, and maybe we can make a little heart or something. Then we're going to use these ones again, the little ones. We'll just make it really tiny here. So we're going to just bring that around, and then we can use the flat ones again to bring that back. Yeah, these are really, really, really tiny. So we're going to bring this one in here. And we've got our little heart here, which isn't too bad, but I'm telling you, I probably will have like a little indent in my hand after that. So here they are side by side to show you the scale, the regular size, and the travel size. There certainly is a significant difference in size between them. These are sort of fun and probably okay if you just need them for very basic things when you're traveling, to have them in a pinch. Usually when I travel downtown on the bus, I'll just bring one flat pair and one round pair, and I'll actually use these as cutters because the end is quite fine. So this is good. This works for me in a pinch. Definitely let me know in the comments if you've ever used these travel pliers, and also if you have any tips or tricks for how to stay portable with your tools and your supplies when you're traveling. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire, wedding cake toppers, and funky jewelry. And also, I have a mailing list going, so if you'd like to join my mailing list, I'll mail you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, and that's linked up below too. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.